swimming in 8 events in Rio, a packed program. HASSIEM and HERENDEEN from the United States rounding out the field. He's in lane 7. Well, it was a quick start in lane 4 from DUBROV. And he's got the early advantage, but close on his shoulder is his compatriot, his teammate, KRYPAK. And just a narrow margin at the moment as they head into the first turn.
Well, it is very strong from DUBROV and KRYPAK, who until a handful of years ago were swimming for Olympic reckoning for Ukraine. Both DUBROV and KRYPAK already very decorated at these games. Achmat HASSIEM of South Africa, the victim of a shark attack when he was training to be a lifesaver, goes in lane 6. He's a bronze medalist from 2012, but didn't get off to a fantastic start. While in lanes 2 and 3, MENCIOTTI and ELLIOT. But DUBROV and KRYPAK are even challenging world record time here. The two look alongside of one another. It's DUBROV just ahead of KRYPAK.
It is DUBROV, and he's going to touch in first, and it's going to be ahead of world record. Well, what a statement in the early session of DUBROV. The 27-year-old already has a swag of medals here at the Rio 2016 Paralympic Games. He's the world champion. 55.29. Well, nothing short of a commanding performance. He was really pushed by his teammate too. I think he almost wheeled him onto that finish line and ended up setting a very high bar indeed going into the final. Touching in there, he was only fractionally ahead, and that final 50 really wasn't his until the last 15 metres or so. Interesting to see the time his teammate KRYPAK set as well, 55.54, so that was also under the world record as well. Very quick heat indeed. And ELLIOT the next closest.